Okay, we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. Sirens are going off now. Very high wind gusts. That's the storm right there. This thing is dangerous. It's the first time I heard the sirens for a severe thunderstorm warning this year. Should be a tornado warning, whatever. Oh god, I can see a massive shower cloud. By the way, quick shout out to one of my good friends on YouTube, One Lincoln Weather. Been talking to him on Facebook all day about storms. He got this storm. Now it's my turn. Bellevue sirens just now shut off. Okay, this is part 2. The sirens are done sounding. Look at this massive storm coming. Quick shout out, by the way, to One Lincoln Weather. You're awesome, man. Oh my god. Holy crap. Come the wind. Oh boy. It's dark out now. It is literally dark out now. Something's gonna go over here. Something's gonna break right over there, watch it. Oh! It's not a tornado warning, you're just sounding them again. At least I don't think it's a tornado warning. She got that right there. That's getting slow as hell. This is going to be a little bit of a video of what's happening right now after that giant shelf cloud passed through. If you look at the sky, it's totally clear. You know, like the clouds are... Ooh! The clouds are even, is what I'm saying. Raining like crazy now. If you heard that crack in the past video, sorry, not future, it already happened, so I think that's the past. In the past video, the crack you heard was 3 big branches from my trees in the backyard coming down and landing right on my yard. And that, you know, makes me think, son of a bitch. Sorry if that was clear. I hate when things like that land on my yard. It just bugs the hell out of me. As soon as the rain stops, I'm gonna get another video of the damage. Frickin' lightning better not come down. It's right on top of me. There's always somebody that goes by with a video camera, you know, taking video and all the damage. See the trees, that's what's raining a lot harder. The funny thing is, if there was no clouds in the sky, it'd be really bright out. It would still be really light. So hopefully the storm will kind of blow over in the next 5-10 minutes so I can go get a video of the damage. I suppose I could in the rain, though, to grab an umbrella. Alright, it's 2 minutes of this. It's just what's happening now. I'll have another update maybe.